60 back with you, and really pleased to be joined by State Representative Darlene Sanger. She is, I believe, one of our strongest Republican candidates this year in Illinois. She's the Republican candidate for United States Congress in the 11th District, taking on Bill Foster. Darlene, thanks for joining us. I first wanted to ask you about what I think is a really important bill that you've introduced and you're pushing, H.R. 809 to be technical. It's a bill to audit this Obamacare Navigator program. What is it, and where are we in the process right now?
You know what, it's something, this is a simple request. I mean, basically what I'm asking is to, sunshine that $36 million we got from the federal government,
right,
and just to show, who received the money and did we do what we were supposed to do with it, and did they, what they accomplished in the rest. And it should be a simple thing to do, but I'm having a really difficult time by the chairperson of insurance to let this thing get daylighted. And I'm really questioning, what the difficulty is here, because again, this is stuff that this should be something transparency everybody should be able to see and have.
Just common sense. Darlene Sanger trying to advance a bill to simply audit the Obamacare Navigators program, keep track of where these millions. Darlene, you mentioned $36 million in Illinois for the Navigator program. Is there any oversight right now of this?
There is a procedure written,
right,
but whether or not that's been followed through, I do not know.
Okay.
I'm not getting any answers. All I know is that, again, the simple resolution, I had it in committee. It was, pretty much killed by putting it into a subcommittee.
Right.
And I've got I have all these organizations opposing to it, such as Heartland Alliance, League of Women Voters, Planned Parenthood, AIDS Foundation. I'm like, why would you be opposed to something as simple as saying, hey, I did a good job, or someone did a good job with this federal money, or what?
Why are they opposed, Darlene? And I hate to ask a stupid question, but why are they opposed to making this money transparent?
And I don't understand either. And I never got an answer for that. Is that what issue do you have with, having us say this is how the money was spent? I mean, I'm really questioning it, particularly some of these organizations. I'm like, you're not even, part of this process. What's the deal here? What's going on that you're, anti, saying what happens to the federal funds that come in the state of Illinois? And it's an interesting thing, too. When we go through a budget process, we look at general revenue funds. We don't look at what's called other state funds.
Right.
There's a lot of the federal money. So, there's no transparency here.
That's amazing, Darlene, because I know this Navigator program is running into problem after problem in a number of states around the country. And then on top of that, you look at the problem now that Governor Pat Quinn is facing with his neighborhood recovery initiative, an investigation of that program. It just seems in the context here, $36 million or so for an Obamacare Navigator program. We need to audit those funds, and we need to know where those funds are going.
Yep, and the way the system works right now, when the money came in through the federal government and went through the Department of Insurance, and then it went to the Department of Human Services, and then it went into another series of grant,
right,
requests and releases, and I don't know where this stuff went. I don't know where it landed up and how it got spent.
Exactly. And again, Darlene, I know you're sort of living a dual existence right now. You're a state representative and you're a candidate for Congress. As you've been out there in the 11th Congressional District talking to folks, and I've seen you around, I know you're campaigning hard. This race between you and Foster, in your mind, we've got a lot of independents, Democrats, and Republicans who listen to this show. What's this race all about between you and Bill Foster?
This race is really about a major contrast. You've got a Bill Foster who believes, as I just said, he voted for Obamacare to expand government.
Yep.
He's voted for all the additional regulations that have been increased by 25% since the term he's been there, and he's for more taxes.
Yeah.
And the contrast is with me, I'm not for larger government. I'm fighting that today in the state of Illinois. I think I believe I know these regulations have to change because it's stifling our economy. I spoke with a person that sells medical equipment the other day. We were doing a business tour. They basically shared with me that 80% of their time is spent on paperwork now. With the expanded regulation.
Yeah.
And, we've got to grow this economy through basically lesser taxing.
Well, Darlene, you have been a champion for fiscal conservatism, keeping taxes low and keeping government sort of out of the hands and out of the hair of our small businessmen and women who are simply trying to grow their businesses. And I give you a real big shout out for trying to move this bill along to simply audit the Obamacare Navigators program. And look, you've been an outspoken champion on repealing and replacing Obamacare. I appreciate you joining us. Keep doing what you're doing. I'll tell you, everybody in the 11th District, the contrast is clear. Darlene Sanger, the Republican candidate for Congress in the 11th District. Darlene, thanks so much for joining us.
Good, Joe. Thank you. Love your show.
Thanks. Take care.
Bye now.
Darlene Sanger in the 11th Congressional District.
Follow Joe